So we're doing test 1 review part B, question 7. Reduce the fraction to lowest terms. So that means represent this fraction just using smaller numbers. So that's the same as 17 over 24. Now the next question says convert to a fractional notation. They just mean write it as an improper fraction. Because here it's mixed. They don't want to have this number in front. They want it just to be fractions. So the mistake that some people do is they use this button. Don't use this button. Because this has 1, 2, 3, you have to hit shift first, then this button to get 1, 2, 3. Okay? Now if you want, you can go 2 times 7 plus 5. Okay? 2 times 7 plus 5. And that's equal to 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So that would be 19 on the top and 7 on the bottom because it stays the same. Or you can use your calculator and go Shift SD. Oops, no, we don't want to make it back to that. So we just push this way. There, let's do that again. So put 2 here, 5 and a 7, and just push equals. And it will change it into this improper fraction for you. Or you can go 2 times 7 plus 5, that will give you the top number, the numerator, and the cake is cut into 7, so it stays cut into 7. Okay? Convert this mixed number to an improper fraction. So I'm just going to put the negative here because I know it's going to be negative, and I'm not going to play with the negative in my calculator. So I can go 1 times 14 plus 13, and that's going to give me 27. So I know 27 is going to go on the top, and the cake is cut into 14. Okay? You can write it like this, the negative in the front. You can write it with the negative in the top, or you can write it with the negative in the bottom. It doesn't matter where you put the negative. Let's use our calculators. If you, oops, no, don't use this button because it has a 1, 2, 3. It's mixed. Shift this. If you want to put the negative in, you can, but you don't have to. There, 27 over 14. Okay, so the negative can go in front, up, or down. It's all the same. Okay. Next, multiply those, add that. So 4 times 16 plus 11. Don't use the negative in the front. So 4 times 16 plus 11 is 75. So it's going to be a 75 on the top, and on the bottom the cake is cut into 16, but it's negative, so I'm going to put the negative there. Let's do it using our calculator. 1, 2, 3, it's mixed, so I have to go Shift to get that, and then I can put negative 4, 11, and 16, push equals, same. Convert to a mixed number, or numeral. Numeral just means number. So it means make it mixed. So I'm going to put it in my calculator, and I'm going to put Shift SD. So 3 whole cakes, and another cake with 5 slices, and the cakes are cut into 6 pieces each. Same. I know it's going to be a negative, so I'm going to put a negative here, and then I'll just do 77 over 8. And Shift SD. 9 whole cakes, and another cake with 5 slices, and the cakes are cut into 8 pieces. Here, I know the answer is going to be negative, because it's negative. It's a big number. Shift SD. 58 cakes, and then 1 more cake with 9 slices, and the cakes are cut into 14. Oh, it's hard to write it. I'll write it here. Another cake with 9 slices, and they're cut into 14. Last one, write this as a decimal. Oh, okay. 7 over 20. And then SD, D stands for decimal, so I'm going to hit that, and that's equal to 0.35. There, 0.35. Okay.